All right, OldGuyBMXer here. I've come across a little bit of a problem. I've got these really nice Tuff Wheel 2s. They're repops, and they have this massive, huge axle on the back of it with a 9-tooth spoke on it. It won't fit in my frames. And I have these other sets that are very yellow. Look at the difference. So after watching some videos on what to do, I bought some of this. Salon Care 50. So apparently this is a bleach type peroxide, and it'll bleach everything including your skin. So I've got a paintbrush and gloves and a little container to put it in, and what you do is you slather it on and then put it inside of a plastic bag and leave it sit in the sun for a few hours on each side. So let's see how this goes. All right, so this is the first rim. I kind of lathered up with all of this bleach. Hopefully it works. We'll see. But I've kind of got both sides. Try to get it all over the place. And we'll see how this works. So now I'm just going to grab a bag and put the wheel in it. And I'm going to take it outside and set it in the sun. Be right back. All right, second rim is going into the bag, and then we're going to put it out into the yard and leave it out there for a couple of hours, and then turn it over and try again. All right, hey, it's been a few days since I did the bleaching of these Tuff Wheel 2s. I actually did it twice. I know the first time I told you I put them in a plastic bag, but I actually turned around and changed that and put a second coat of bleach on them and then wrapped them in saran wrap that I just so happen to have here for shipping. And I let them sit out in the sun, and I flipped them, and man, I can't begin to tell you. Oh, I mean, it has some brake rub on it. Who has white mags and puts black pads on? I don't understand that. But I also started to wet sand, which will get rid of that brake rub. And then I'm noticing that you can put WD-40 on them and let it sit and wipe it in, and it makes them shiny and new again. And so that's kind of what I'm experimenting with. I did find out that this one has quite a bit of a crack on the hub, and I'm not too excited about that. But man, let me, I don't know how to get to this. I mean, check that out. I mean, that's pretty awesome. I mean, this rim, other than the brake rub, and now I'm seeing some probably grease prints from my fingers, that looks pretty good, and I'm impressed with that. So yeah, you get that bleach that I showed you, slather it all over it, and wrap them up in a saran wrap. You may have to do it 2, sometimes 3 times to get the result that you want. But man, I'm super impressed, and now I'm just going to kind of work on these and get them cleaned up and get this brake rub off and move on to the next project. So my next video, and it's been a couple of days since I've posted, and you probably can see I got a little bit more bling, and including the bikes and the stuff up on the wall. But I went to a bike show in Enfield, Connecticut, and had a blast, and spent a little bit more money than I should have. But I'm going to show you my loot haul and what I picked up, and share that with you and kind of get some ideas. I'm going to show you where I'm going and what I'm doing. But, you know, stay tuned. Stay rad.